Chef here with a real quick tip for you. I wanted to share with you how I store my sugar in this regular kitchen. In a commercial kitchen we use large bins and we pull it out and we weigh everything on scales, but here in a home kitchen I recommend you store in ball jars. There's a whole bunch of reasons why. I'm going to give you just a couple. First of all, glass is one of the most sanitary surfaces you can put food into. Nothing can get in. No critters, no bugs, no dust or hair or anything like that. Also, it's much easier to store this in your cabinet. There's another reason. Look closely, there's a vanilla bean in there. One vanilla bean will flavor several containers of sugar. That's another reason I like to keep my sugar in the ball jar. This is an antique one. It's blue glass, pretty cool. You can probably find these if you look around. Brown sugar, it will stay fresher. It won't get hard and lumpy because it keeps out humidity and moisture. Again, no critters can get into sugar. Like that a lot. Thanks for watching. Visit the sponsor. Yeah, buy the best quality the first time. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5" thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Update your kitchen, contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. In this video I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife. Love it. This one's going on about 10 years. Just keeps going. Blueberries, I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. Check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,